no! Hi man, are you suffering a chirp of a smoke detector? Today I will show you how to fix it. Let's go. Unlock the latch first. And then twist and remove the cover. You'll find the cable connect right here. Disconnect the cable connect. Open the battery cover. Most of this issue is low battery. We'll change a new battery. This is brand new battery. Let's set it up. Be careful. Positive, negative. Let's connect the cable. We are done. Perfect, we fixed it. Thank you for watching. If you think it's helpful, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up and forward. Thank you. See you next time.